Germany 1:47.49. They were the fastest from the heats, and this is the start of the kayak double junior women 500 meters. Remember, this is an Olympic event. Last year winners, the team racing as neutral. First, Germany second and Poland third. In the European Championships, we had Hungary, Czechia, they are both here racing, and Turkey, they were racing in the B final 2 hours ago. Early lead for Germany. Heuser, already gold medalist in the Kayak 1 500, teaming up with Marlene Sitz. And they are leading now side by side. It's Hungary, 250 meters to go in this final. Impressive racing from the young athletes. This is the junior category. Germany pulling ahead. Hungary trying to keep up. In third place, you have Czechia in lane number 3. Still holding into the lead, that's Germany in the blue boat.
Easy to identify in this case.
Hungary giving all they have to get into Germany, but it's not possible today. It will be Germany first, Hungary second, and then Czechia just trying to hold. But it's
no, it's Czechia. It's Czechia.
Germany first, Hungary second.
Czechia third.
Czechia third. It's the replay. They were heading into the 200 meters.
And then the German crew pulling ahead and won this final.
And it was a long time since Germany was able to win the kayak double junior women. Last time was in 2009 when they were racing in Moscow. 2009, Sabrina Höring, Steffi Kriegerstein. And now back into the highest position of the podium, the German crew of Marlene Sitz and Caroline Heuser. Congratulations, Germany.
Heuser also has medals from the previous days. Saw her in the podium, and now the results, the official ones.